Good morning. It's time for another lazy, well, it's Monday morning, brain warm-up. This was in my news feed this morning. Let's have a little look at it and see what we can do with it. I'm not sure if I qualify. So the first thing I think when I see something like this is, well, I wish it was a quadratic. So why not do that? Turn the problem into something that we've already solved, that kind of thing. So if you can make a substitution, do it. And here's an easy one, like right there. So now that we've done that, let's rearrange a little bit, and we've got a mind-bogglingly easy to factor quadratic equation. So let's factor that. We've got two solutions. Reverse the substitution, and there's your solution. There's what it looks like in Desmos. We've tossed out the imaginary solution of 4/9 I, and we've retained the real solution of 9/4, which Desmos interprets as the decimal form of 2.25.